The number one reason why your Google My Business profile is so important. Well, it is because that is the first place they go when they search for your business online. That's the first thing that pops up. It's the top of the funnel that's gonna lead the client to your business. Because once they look at your Google My Business profile, if you do a search and you have a Google My Business profile, you will see that you have the websites on one side and this huge card over on the other side, on the right side of the browser. That is huge. That is a huge advertising for your business. And so you wanna make sure that you have your Google My Business profile set up and that it is optimized and it's set up. And we have a lot of cool tricks to allow you to be able to be found and rise to the top and get reviews, all those different parts that go with it. So very important that if you have a local business that you get your Google My Business profile claimed or optimized. And that's what we do here at ClickUp Local. We help you to do that. So send me a direct message and I would be happy to help you get going on this journey because it's crucial for here when we're moving into 2023.